Nangaman Ladi, and welcome to Ask Aunty with Aunty Munya and Ally Carla. Aunty Munya, the question for today is, can non-Indigenous people play instruments like the didgeridoo?
Yes, I believe they can, Carla, and have done so. But people always ask, what is the correct etiquette? There are some gender restrictions on playing the didgeridoo. I have my own personal opinions about that, but to be aware of those. But as always, I say, especially if you're learning, go to an Aboriginal teacher and ask them to teach you and then start playing. But of course, if you're a long way away, again, once you start to learn to play, go and ask about an Indigenous elder in your local community.
Thanks, Aunty Munya. Ask Aunty.